Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Anna. I wanted to share with you my sewing machine unboxing. I got this one back from my partner, and I remember sharing the machine that I made with you guys. So I wanted to share what she had made for me. First of all, I opened the box and it was so cute. It's got crepe paper everywhere, you know, paper shred. And all of these were mixed in with the paper shred, and it was so much fun to pick through it and see what all had come out of there. So this was part of the packaging, part of the shred that was in there, the paper shred. So yeah, I had to look through it carefully, and that was actually fun. So she included all these little like tags, and they are so cute. And again, I mean, it's something that that I can use in future projects. And these are little foam hearts. I don't know where she got them, but they are so adorable. And then she threw in some flowers in the mix, and then she threw in some pom-poms. And guys, that was so much fun. But anyway, let me show you the rest of the package. So I've moved everything out of the way, and some of the things that she included was this little package, and look at this cute little bag. And I actually have not opened anything because I wanted to share with you guys first. But she included some, look at that, those are the little, you know, the little things with the brads, I guess. Anyway, so she included some sewing theme. I don't know where she got these. I had never seen these. These are so, look, little scissors. They're so cute. And then she had some little scissors in here. She's got a garment pin, and she's got some spools, and then she's got tiny little tags. So that was in that little package. I'm going to put them back in here, guys, because I want to make sure I don't lose anything. And I put everything in its place after I open everything up. Okay, and then she included this big spool. It's got some trim around there, the little pom-pom. It's green, very pretty. And then she included this large pen, a large stick pin, and that is so cute. And she included that large spool. Thank you so much. And then she included this embellishment, and look at this, guys. I don't know where she got this, but that is so adorable. I love that. And then her cute little topper. She's got sewing theme cut aparts in there. I don't know if that's ephemera, but that is so cute. And the paper that she used it's got some ruler, you know, some measurements in there, and yeah, cute little topper. And it looks like I can probably reuse that. So I'm gonna open this one up and see her embellishment, her rosette. Look at that. Oh, that's so cute. I hadn't seen this. Look at that big old die. I mean, that big old tag. Look at that. Oh, that is so cute. Oh my goodness, that's cute. So this is one of her embellishments, and she's got a faux leather bow on there, and she's got this cute little dangle in the center, and a rosette in the back. Oh, beautiful blue bead there. It's like an aqua color. Very pretty, guys. Look at that. Oh, that's adorable. So that's what was in that little package. And then the next one, she's got her embellishments and another tag. So let's open this up. And her first embellishment. Oh, that's so cute. She's got one of those little I don't know what they're called. My mind is blank, but she's got one right there, and she's tied a belt with like it looks like some gold thread, or not gold, but aqua colored thread. That is so cute. Little circle. She's got a piece of lace in the back, some trim, a couple of flat backs. She's got a tulle, and that is so pretty. Oh yeah, we were supposed to make the 2.5-inch coin embellishments. Okay, I forgot the exact name, but anyway, here's her next one, and that is so cute. Look at that. Oh my goodness, she did so good right here. This is so adorable. She tied a little scissors here. She just dressed the little thread holder, little button. Oh, that is so adorable. Again with the tulle. She's got her little applique in the back, flat back. She's got a heart right here. That's so cute. Oh my gosh, she did such a great job. Look at that. Oh my goodness. And then she's got this tag. We were supposed to make a tag, and we were supposed to follow the theme, which is the sewing theme. And she put I don't know, oh yeah, she made it out of she cut it out of that, you know, that ribbon, that I'm sorry guys, my mind just isn't with it today. But anyway, she cut it out, and it, I don't know if, I think it had those little dots on there, or that might be some more ribbon, I'm not sure. But she put a little flower on there, and she put a little oh, this is from the dress form. And then look at this cute little like leather bow. Isn't that adorable? Some scissors. That looks like leather, guys. That doesn't, or I mean, it could be foam, but I don't know. It's so cute. And she put some trim here, some of that eyelet trim, and then she put another rosette at the bottom with a lace doily in the back, paper lace doily. She pinned on a little button. That is so cute. Oh my goodness. And then she's got this I don't know what you call this trim, but she put some of that on the top. That is so adorable. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Okay, so Kristen, I'm sorry, Kristen, your name drew a blank for me. Okay, so anyway, and then she put a little container of buttons on there. She decorated the top of that pom-pom trim. She put a little scallop circle on top of another one on dimension. All of them are dimensional, and then she put a little button on the top, and that actually is going to go up right now because I have a place for all these little containers, and that one, it's put away. And then she included some more of these little thingamajigs, and there's, look at that, that's so cute. The little scissors, the little dress form, and another one on this side. Yeah, I like that little bag. It's so cute. And she on the back she put this little cut apart. I don't know if she printed it first or not, but that's so cute. That is so adorable. She put in this cute little container, and the lady with the sewing machine, that's so cute. So I opened the container, and inside is a little bit of everything here. So this is all shred, gold shred, but in there she put a little cluster of made with love, the little hearts, the little you know, dangle hearts, and she tied it with a little piece of, feels like leather, and there's the tiniest little tassel. That is so cute. I don't know if she made that, because I had never seen one of these made out of this material, but that is so cute. Oh my gosh, Kristen, that's beautiful. Then she put a flower in there, and then she put the tiniest rosette in there. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that's tiny. I can see that on a card or a tag or something, but that's so cute. Thank you so much, Kristen. I love that. I love the little container as well. And then guys, this was not required, but I'm going to take it out of the package really quick. I'm going to show you. the package. And then she has something in the back, so I'm going to see what that is. And she has used these, it seems like, throughout. Yeah, those are so cute. Look at that. Those are little cut aparts. Oh my goodness, like little journaling cards. Oh my goodness, those are so cute. Look at that. Those are adorable. Can you see those on a project? I can. Really, really cute. Love them. Everything is usable. Everything, the packaging, everything. So this was not required, but oh my gosh, it is amazing. I don't think I've seen everything in here. And I looked at the package for a while. So it came like this. She put a little, you know, measuring tape on the top. She clipped this on there. That's so cute. Okay, but look at this, guys. Look at this dangle. Oh my gosh. Can you imagine the time that it took to make this dangle? Bring it a little bit closer. Oh my gosh. Look at that, guys. So it's got all these little buttons. You know, the dangles are made out of buttons. And we have beads in here, rondelles. Look at those beautiful beads. The colors are gorgeous. And then look at that. I don't know, that bead topper looks like a little hexagon, hex bolt. I don't remember what you call them, but look at that. And then she's got buttons at the bottom. And look at this tiny little sewing machine. It is amazing. Oh my gosh. Kristen, look at this. Little button again at the bottom. Yeah, that is another sewing machine. This one's pink. This one's green. Can you? And then this one, another green one. Oh my gosh, look at that. This is just gorgeous. I can see this on the spine of a mini album. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. I am definitely going to use this on a project because I know it had to have taken her forever to make this. Look at that heart. I hadn't seen that heart, and I've already looked at this dangle I don't know how many times, and I hadn't seen that heart. Look at that. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Kristen, thank you so much. I love it. Yes, I will put it on a project for sure. Now let me show you the sewing machine, guys. It is so pretty. And here's all the shred that's at the bottom of the box, and I already sifted through it to make sure that I got everything. She put a piece of tissue on the bottom so nothing would escape. Very, very nice. Nicely done. So she put the sewing machine in this bubble wrap. I don't know if you guys can tell, but look at the bubble wrap, guys. It's a whole bunch of little hearts. I had never seen a bubble wrap like this. That is so cute. I wonder if she got that. And it's pink. I don't know if the light is allowing the color to go through, but it's pink. Love that. So this is her sewing machine. And she's got the little ladies right here. And I think she printed one of these out. If not, she printed one out for herself, but to put on the sewing machine. And she's got flowers cut out of like old paper, and they look adorable here with flat backs on the centers. She's got some more of that thread right here. She made for the dial, she cut a circle, and then she put this applique on the front, and then this beautiful jewelry piece right there in the center with another one right on the top. Look at that. That is beautiful. It's up on dimensionals. And then this paper, guys, I looked at the paper over and over because I thought maybe she had splattered the ink on there, you know, but no, I'm not sure if she splattered it because I don't know. It looks like she did and it looks like she didn't, but if she did, that's a lot of work because it came out gorgeous. So she's got several pieces layered on. She's got this green piece. She's got this matte piece at the bottom. And then, of course, she's got this piece on the top, which is so pretty. And then on the back, she's got it layered just as many times as the front. And then her boxes, and then this is the back. Beautiful. So for the handles on the boxes, she put some of those tiny little spools with that yarn stuff wrapped around the spool. Those are the pull-out handles. And when you pull it out, she filled it up. I don't want to pull too hard and tear anything. There we go. So she put some of those little appliques in here. Look at that one. Oh, that one's gorgeous. She's got some appliques in here. I'm gonna dump this out, guys, just because I'm gonna have to sift through it. She put some shred inside the box. And remove the shred. Okay, I've removed all the shred. She has some pink pins in there. And then she's got some, oh, how pretty. She's got some gold applique stars. She's got, there's a garment pin in here. She's got some bead toppers right here on the top. She's got some dangles. Those are little bows. She's got some clothespins. And she's got one of these cute little thread spools, cards, a thread card. So she put all that at the bottom of this drawer. So I'm gonna put that back. And then in the second drawer on the top one, she put some, I'm gonna dump this out as well. Oh, she put this little card in here with some green trim. She put, oh, how cute, this little dress form with some cute little trim here as well. That's so cute, just like that. Just to use it just like that would be cute. And then she put another one with that pink yarn, eyelash yarn maybe. And then she put some big pins in here. Look at that, and they're gold. And then she put a tiny little spool with some pink and creamy colored pom-poms. Look at that, tied together with a little garment pin. That is so adorable. Oh my goodness, Kristen, thank you so much. Guys, let me show you her sewing machine one last time. That is so pretty. Oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. Now looking at the inside of this sewing machine, she did the splatters herself. This is not splattered. So she splattered the machine herself. That's beautiful. I love that color. And there's the back. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Yep, beautiful. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I wanted to share her beautiful sewing machine, and I will talk to everyone later. Thanks a lot, guys.